Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to type numeric numbers in keyboard. I have opened the on-screen keyboard and I do have this type of keyboard physically. So depending on your keyboard layout and the device you are using, there are several ways to type numeric numbers. So every standard keyboard has a row of numbers 1 to 0 located just above the letters keypad. So to use them, simply tap the key for the number you want. For example, if you want to type 1, you need to click on 1. 2, 3, you need to tap the keys like this 1. Moreover, if you hold down the shift key, this is the shift key, while pressing these keys, for example, let me press the shift key and press the 1, you will see that number is not typed. You will type the symbols located above the numbers, and here you can see that like this one. When I press the shift key and press the number, the symbols are located on the above numbers is inserted. Moreover, most full-size keyboards have a dedicated number pad on the right side. First, you need to enable the num lock. This is the num lock key. You need to first press this key to enable the numeric keypad. Whatever the numeric you want to type, you need to click on that like this one. And if you press these symbols, you will type these symbols. So this is the much faster for data entry in program like Excel or for the performing calculations. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how to type numeric numbers in keyboard. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.